Hello, back in Charliewood. Um, I just want to express my gratitude for being nominated, shortlisted for Paris Court Working with Nature, Biodiversity and Rewilding category. We have put a lot of blood, sweat and tears into this place to get it where it is today. 3,000 trees that we've planted all along here. Those 3,000 trees are a mixture of native grouped together, 3 per square metre, and it's just no particular pattern, just thrown in as the men could hand them to one another. There's about 3 of us planted all of these in a day. Now we've all these spaces to fill. So we're going to create, like, keeping in theme with the Celtic touch and natural heritage, native trees. It'll be all designed with Miriaki forests to sculpt and shape pathways and screening and all sorts of features. So this was once formerly a Christmas tree farm, and trees have been harvested here for years. So everything that was here were hand picked and chosen to stay there for screening, and it was perfect because it looked like a mini parkland. So there was a serious amount of trees all over the place, but they were all sort of rejects that didn't quite make the grade of a premium quality Christmas tree.